Good evening. Good evening. Please, wake up. Hello. Good evening.
Hey! What's the idea of sneaking up on somebody like that? I mean, really? Just sneak up on me.
Well, I'm
I
sorry.
sincerely hope that you are. Now, if you'll excuse me, by 7 o'clock, 6 o'clock, I have an appointment. And you know what? I need my view finished.
Actually, that's why I'm here. You see, my doctor told me the other day.
Wait. Are you Greta Campbell?
Yes, I am. And like I was saying, I got this letter the other day.
You're early.
Well, a couple of minutes, yes.
Whoa. If by a couple of minutes you mean 62 minutes, then yes, you are a couple of minutes early. Can't you tell the time?
Look, I'm sorry. If you want me to come back later, I can do that.
Oh, excuse me. That's my CR, isn't it? Whoa, wait. You know what? Since you're here now, you might as well stay. You do have some kind of ID with you, right? See, there are a lot of nuts out here trying to impersonate.
Funny you should mention. Not actually. This letter, it's like from God.
So, what?
From God. Someone I'm assuming you sent me a letter like from God.
No, I didn't. It was probably God's secretary, actually. Now, can I see your ID, please?
No, I really think I should be going now.
Wait. Where are you going exactly?
Away from you.
Hey, why? Do I look impulsive?
Well, not only that,
Excuse me?
it's because you're sending a letter like from God.
What? I told you your secretary probably sent it out. You know what? I've been here on this earth for millions of years already. You know what? I'm old.
I think I'm gonna go. Bye.
Wait, I get it. You don't really think the letter is from God. I forgot what skeptics new humans are.
Humans? You mean you're not human?
Of course not. Hey, you see, I am an angel.
An angel?
Yeah, I guess you don't believe that either. Well, just let me ask you a few questions then. If that letter you got wasn't from God, why'd you come here? You look like a pretty busy old maid.
I really don't know it.
Yes, you do. You thought to yourself, hey, what if the letter really was from God? You see, the Almighty might get pissed off if I don't show up for a meeting, right? And no matter how stupid that thought was, you couldn't make it go away. Could you?
Something like that.
See? Told you so.
Which doesn't mean to say that I think you're an angel or that God is here in this office somewhere.
But you wanted to be sure.
Yeah?
And now that you're sure, then we start filling out the paperwork.
Okay. It's not that I don't believe every word of that. It's just that maybe you see Constantine abused too many councilmen. And I really think I should go.
Why is it so difficult for you to believe that I am an angel?
Well,